I feel privileged to present the decennial year report of the school for the year 2016-17. The year has been eventful and gratifying for many reasons. From the humble beginning we made in 2007 with 133 students, the institution is now expanded and established as one of the premier CBSE schools in and around Puliyanthop in all aspects. Having crossed many memorable milestones, today our school is a dream destination for students, teachers and parents alike. The school had a steady incline in the total student enrollment. Sri Sushwani Mata Jain Vidyalaya is touching a new milestone this academic year 2016-17. In its journey towards excellence, SSNJV has completed a decade. Selfless devotion to serve the young generation and the genuine philanthropic ideals of the management coupled with the commitment of all the staff made this success possible. The growth was made possible only because of the vision of the founder chairman Shri Gautam Chand Surana and by the continued support of Tej Raj Gautam Chand Surana Trust. We are indeed grieved at the sudden demise of our beloved chairman. He was a passionate educator and a committed administrator who contributed to the development of children for over 3 decades. He strongly believes that every child is unique. Identifying their talents and laying emphasis on developing the multiple capabilities has been his vision. We promise to emulate and mirror his thoughts and ideas in our future endeavors. Eminent personality Dr. S. Radhakrishnan says, education to be complete must be humane. It must not include only the training of the intellect, but also the refinement of the heart and the discipline of the spirit. The school strives to provide a nurturing climate which encourages lifelong learning. The school in its decennial year aims at empowering the young learners with varied skills to emerge as holistic individuals. Our excellence is the gradual result of always striving to do better. Indeed, we are gradually reaching excellence as we are constantly striving for it. This is exemplified by the outstanding performance of our first batch of students in the 10th standard, who took up external board exams with 10% pass percentage. One of our students, S. Achita Sharma, excelled by scoring 10 out of 10. School is the temple of learning. Learning certainly does not mean only book learning or rote learning. Our students are encouraged to take an active part in all co-scholastic activities. This helps them to develop a well-rounded personality. They understand that the thrill is not just winning, but in having the courage to join the race. Our students are not only eager to join the race, but they also come out with the flying colors, winning accolades for themselves and for the school too. Our school students participated in the Agar Fest Swachh Bharat 2016, organized by Agarwal Vidyalaya in the month of August, and exhibited their talents. Our high school students also participated in Vidya Deep 2016, organized by SJT Surana Jain Vidyalaya and Junior College on October 26, 2016, and has won many prizes in all the 10 events they participated. We got first prize in group dance, adapt tune, channel surfing, mime and ADSUP. Second prize in adapt tune, third prize in fireless cooking, beg borrow steal and photography, and our students have bagged the overall trophy for our school. The Ministry of Water Resources organized the 7th school-level painting competition in the month of October. 65 students of our school from middle school level have took part in this competition. In the National Aptitude Test conducted by the Times NIE in the month of November, 214 students from middle school and high school level participated in the preliminary level, out of which 10 students entered the next level of examination held at Nehru Stadium, in which A. Abdul Wahid of 10th and Shravan of class 8 excelled and won taps. Our students took part in the competitions conducted by World Veg Council on account of Vegetarian Day in the month of October, in which our student Afreen K of UKGA got the second prize in drawing competition. RGR Academy conducted the Chennai Talent Search Examination in the month of September, in which 230 students from middle school and high school enthusiastically participated. Our students participated in the inter-school competition conducted by the Indian Junior Red Cross Society in connection with Geneva Conventions, in which our student Akshaya K of 9th got the third prize in English essay writing competition. Our primary and middle school students took part in Skill Roma 2016, organized by Guru Shri Shanti Vijay Jain Vidyalaya, and showcased their talents. Shri B.S. Mutha Girls Senior Secondary School organized Jain Utsav 2016 during the month of October, in which our primary and high school students participated, and our student Shivani Shri of 2nd C got the third prize. To achieve great heights, Just academic excellence is not enough. To achieve this, textbooks are not enough. The values instilled in school will make them ready to face the challenge of this 21st century. So, they need a well-rounded education that prepares you to step into the real world. Various club activities organized by the school help to channelize the energy of the students in the right direction. The Karuna Club Sukh Shame is a very active club of the school. The inauguration took place on 15 July 2016. To inculcate Karuna values among the students, the Karuna Club, as a part of Karuna International, organizes various programs through its neatly sketched pre-action plan. The school has joined hands with Karuna International with the motive of spreading the message of love, kindness, compassion and non-violence, which is the need of the heart. The Karuna Club organized many value enhancement programs, workshops on self-awareness and self-upliftment program for students which were headed by eminent speakers. International Day of Peace, World UNO Day, World Earth Day were observed with great enthusiasm by the members of Karuna Club. Students of Karuna Club visited one of the biggest Goshala in Oteri on 27th October 2016 and fed the cows with care and compassion. 2016 being the International Year of Pulses, the Karuna Club members also organized the Project Day on 1st October, which is observed as the World Vegetarian Day. The Karuna Club members took part in written competition exams on stories on compassion organized by the Karuna International. 292 students have taken part in this. I am proud to announce that the Karuna Club of our school has also entered for the National Karuna International Awards this year, and we have received the award for the new school category. Well done, Karuna Club. To inculcate an appreciation for nature among young people and motivate them in conservation action, the Nature Club is involved in multifarious activities. The main motto of the club is to inculcate love and care for the nature and to create awareness about the nature conservation. The Nature Club of SSM JV has done its part rightly in organizing the poster competition on World Earth Day with the theme One Earth, One Chance. Students also presented a special assembly program on World Environment Day, emphasizing the need to protect our environment and the ways for the same. This created awareness among their peer group. The collage competition organized by the Nature Club on the topic population brought an insight into the role of population in depletion of natural resources. Children are our future and we want them to grow into healthy, productive, happy and compassionate citizens. With this objective, our school health club organizes programs to promote health and well-being in a holistic way. The club members conduct periodical yoga demonstrations on Saturdays during special assembly programs. The club organized for a yoga workshop conducted by the members of Isha Yoga on 21st June 2016, the International Yoga Day. The club members also organized several fitness programs in which health-related topics like personal hygiene, ill effects of junk foods, the importance of consuming healthy food, traditional foods are discussed in the General Assembly periodically. A special mention is the display of healthy diet on the Project Day on 1st October, that is World Vegetarian Day. Heritage Club is an innovative initiative of CBSE to encourage children to learn about national heritage as well as gain exposure to different heritages around the country. This club has helped us to bring history and social science curriculum alive for the students through active learning and doing. The club conducts various activities and educational excursions for students that enable them to appreciate the traditions, culture and religious diversity of our country. On 18th of April 2016, which is observed as the World Heritage Day, the members of the Heritage Club presented a special assembly program during which they sensitized their peer group to protect and conserve the heritage monuments. The Heritage Club arranged for a Rakhi making competition on Raksha Bandhan, that is on 28th August 2016. They also explained the traditional values behind celebrating Raksha Bandhan. Mehndi competition was also organized for the middle school and high school girls and face painting for boys by the Heritage Club during the General Assembly on the theme Patriotism. The Literary Club helps its members to enhance their love for literature. It offers a creative outlet for those who enjoy writing. The club also conducts various competitions and also helps in eliminating fear of speaking on stage. The Literary Club has organized many competitions like poem and Thirukural recitation for primary level and elocution and debates in the middle and high school level. The members enthusiastically took part in all the competitions. The school offers opportunities to children to explore new areas and develop their interests through co-scholastic activities. To promote the cultural traditions and value-based co-curricular activities, this year we have introduced General Assembly at 3 levels: primary, middle school and high school, which is a weekly feature. Each house will present various programs during the assembly. It serves as a stage to showcase their latent talents. Inter-house competitions like poem recitation, vegetable impression, paper folding, spell bee, clay modeling were conducted for primary classes. Tirukural recitation, collage, quiz and magic fingers were organized at middle school level. Poster, collage, drawing, mehendi, face painting and rakhi making are the competitions conducted for high school students during General Assembly. Students from all levels participated in these competitions enthusiastically and prizes were distributed to the winners. This year, we have introduced Newspaper in Education program organized by Times of India, the reputed national daily, aims at sensitizing our students to contemporary issues. Workshops on health awareness, NIE Fundamental Quiz, NIE National Aptitude Challenge and National Newsmakers Meet were organized by Times NIE, in which our students actively participated and won many prizes. Field trips to places of educational importance were arranged periodically for the holistic development of the students. High school students were taken to the naval warships Qatar and Shivalik at the Chennai port, which was a motivation and a memorable experience for the students. Scouts and Guides. Scouts and Guides contribute to the development of young students in achieving their full physical, intellectual, emotional, social and spiritual potential as individuals, as responsible citizens and as the members of local, national and international communities. To accomplish this goal, this year we inaugurated Scouts and Guides on 9th November 2016 by Ms. Bhagyam Tangaraj, District Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, East Zone. 60 students have enrolled and enthusiastically participated in all the activities. This year, another initiative of our school is the inauguration of Junior Red Cross with the guidance of Dr. R. Rajaram, Junior Red Cross Convener, North Chennai. 65 students have enrolled themselves in JRC and they actively play their roles in maintaining the school discipline. They also regularly take part in all the activities and competitions organized by JRC. All these co-scholastic activities help them in grooming the students and make them confident individuals in their school life. Learning is an ongoing process. The CCE, which has made it as a challenge even to the teacher to keep in par with the growing demands of the children, our teachers have taken part in many enrichment programs and workshops conducted by various resource centers in and around the city. I was honored by the Tamil Nadu Hindi Sahitya Akademi in the 5th International Literary Conference in the category of School Principal, and the citation was conferred by Dr. Kiran Bedi, Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, and by Her Excellency Dr. Mridula Sinha, Governor of Goa. I am happy to share with you that I have become the President of the CBSE Hindi Teachers Welfare Association, which was inaugurated on 16th October 2016 to coordinate Hindi teachers from other schools. Our senior teacher Srimati M. Latha will be receiving Best Teacher Award by the North Cluster of Chennai Sahodaya very shortly. We are delighted to share that our student Master Nitish Chakravarti of Class 6B and Master Jivitesh Chakravarti of 3rd C are participating in the leading television channel Vijay TV Kalakappovathu Yaru Junior. The school encourages celebrations of all festivals with zeal and enthusiasm, and also the students in gaining an insight into other cultures. Inversion ceremony was held on July 14, 2016. The ceremony was presided over by the chief guest Sri Gopinath, a renowned and proactive advocate, High Court. The chief guest honored the student council members by pinning the badges. The student council took the oath to carry out their duties sincerely with zeal and dedication. Navratri was celebrated in a grand manner to promote cultural traditions and values. The highlight of the celebration was the Kanya Puja, in which 64 girls at 11 were worshipped as Goddess Durga, and the Sumangali Puja was performed by 108 ladies. The students of the middle school performed special dance programs on these days. The colorful statues of God and goddesses were displayed, which is popularly known as Navratri Kulu. Celebrations not only adds color in our life, it also gives an insight to other culture and tradition. Indians across the globe celebrate Diwali with joy and cheer. The school also provides a platform for the students to be a part of such celebrations. Independence Day. The freedom that we are enjoying today has been reaped by many great martyrs. To imbibe the feeling of patriotism, Independence Day was celebrated in the premises in a very colorful way. The students performed many programs and gave speeches on future India. The mime show presented by students on Indian Army was highly appreciated by the audience. We celebrated Teachers' Day in a grand manner. The school strongly believes that the relationship between the student and the teacher extends far beyond the classroom and teachers' influence lasts forever. As a mark of gratitude and tribute, our students performed Pada Puja to the teachers. The teachers in turn put Achadai and blessed them. The school followed a traditional way to appreciate the service of the teachers with gratitude. Teachers and students actively participated in the cultural programs, and this remarkable day will remain green in each and every student's school life. Children's Day. Children's Day was celebrated on 14 November. Teachers showed their love for the students throughout their dance and drama performance. The students enjoyed the program to the core. The decennial annual sports meet was celebrated grandly on 16 December at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Dr. Mrs. Glory Darling Margaret, Principal YMCA College of Physical Education, Chennai, was the guest of honor. The program commenced with the hoisting of the flag by the guest of honor and the Secretary Shri Pavan Kumar Surana and Srimati Preeti Pavan Kumar Surana graced the occasion. The afternoon session was presided by the chief guest, Lieutenant Commander S. Balaji, Provost Naval Marshal and Regulating Officer, who greatly admired the sports demonstrations performed by the students. Since it was the 10th year, the students demonstrated 10 different and colorful sports events. Ongoing after-school activities. Remedial programs are organized in all subjects for students of class 4 to 8th. Coaching classes are held for major games throughout the year in volleyball, football, kho-kho and athletics. School like ours try to impart child-centered education as each and every child is unique. In the upcoming academic year, we have planned to introduce more digital content which will help both auditory and visual learners to improve in their academics. By nurturing young minds and strengthening their values, we strive to motivate our students to reach their true potential and thus make them productive citizens of the world and worthy human beings. On this joyous occasion, we assure you of continued commitment to excellence in serving the cause of education. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our energetic and dynamic secretary for leading us throughout the event. Your personal touch and involvement in all our activities leads us to success. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of energetic teachers who have been the backbone of this esteemed institution. My sincere thanks to all the parents and well-wishers. Without their support, we would have not been achieved our goal. We are all set to move forward, build on our past success and scale greater heights in the years ahead. We seek God's blessings and guidance in every step of our way towards tomorrow. Thank you.